Hey, what's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are wondering how I got these sponge curls using this sponge roll on my 4C TWA, then y'all keep on watching. Let's go on to the video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Hair Problems and No Edges, where we try to find hair solutions, DIYs, regimens, routines to regrow our natural alopecia edges back. So in today's video, I'll just be showing you how I attempt to do a sponge curl on my 4C TWA. Now, this is the first time I've ever attempted to do this. I've never done this before. I'm not even sure how it's going to look. So if y'all are ready to see how this turns out, then y'all just keep on watching. All right, so the first thing I want to do is just go in and mist my hair with the water conditioner mixture. And I just been seeing how a lot of TWA women are wearing these sponge curls. And I have a son, 18 years old, and he wears these sponge curls all the time in his hair. And I'm like, those are really, really cute. So instead of me just wearing my hair out in a regular afro like it is now, I feel like I want to add some more texture and definition to the curls. So this is what I'm going to attempt to do for us today. And yeah, I do have alopecia edges, so this is probably not even going to look right on me because I don't have a full hairline. But this is something we want to all see, and I hope you guys want to see it as conditioner water. I'm gonna go back in with some more this Can 2 conditioner just to add more moisture, just to make sure we get a lot of moisture in our hair. And on top of the Can 2, I'm gonna go in with some of this Eco Styler, and it has argan oil in it. And I just got this from Family Dollar the other day, so I'm just gonna add not too much. I do have a TWA, so it's not a lot of hair up there. And we're just gonna mix both of those together and get them through our hair. And this should be like a quick process. This is not gonna be a long, drawn out video. I'm just trying to see how this is gonna work. We're gonna get everything in here real quick, and we're gonna start sponge rolling because I'm just excited to see how it looks. And y'all please don't tell him, but he just left and went to work. He don't even know I'm here using his sponge roll. If he did, he would have had a heart attack. He do not like his mother using his hair products. He be like, Ma, you got hair and you got weave and stuff in my brush. Don't use my brush. Whatever. Anything laying around this house, I get to use, okay? Take my little pick to make sure we get everything all over. Just get the hair picked out and make sure there's no kinks, tangles, or anything in the hair. Make sure let's go all the way around, working our way up to the top. Okay, from what I've seen so far, whatever direction you are rolling, you want to consistently roll that same direction throughout your whole hair. So if you're using the side with the bumps, which is kind of worn down, because my son uses this all the time. He actually needs to get a new one. But that was the one that had the ridges on the top. He kind of wore that down, but this is the one with the holes. We're gonna use the one with the side with the holes. So whatever direction, if you're swirling clockwise, counterclockwise, you want to do that to the whole head. If you're swirling, against the grain, swirling the other way, do that to the whole head, same direction. So I'm swirling backwards on my hair. And you don't want to push it down. You just want to swirl on the top of the hairs. So let's just start. I might speed up this process after a few moments in, because it might take my hair a little while to roll. I mean, I have never done this, so I don't know how my hair is gonna behave to these little curls in my hair. I don't even know how it's gonna look, but we're gonna learn together. We both here to find out together how this is gonna look. So let's just keep rolling. I can start seeing some curls forming, y'all. Oh shoot, oh shoot, I've never done this. These are so cute. I've seen a lot of women wearing these, a lot men are wearing these. Oh, shoot. Let me see if I can get one half of my head done and see how that looks. Make sure you don't forget about that nape area. Is it looking crazy, y'all? I don't know how it's looking yet. I can see some curls though. Ooh, and that's tiring. That gets your head, your arms like a major workout. A major workout. I don't know if I signed up for that. This is just a hairstyle I wanted to try just to see how it looks on me. All right, I'm gonna add some more moisture because I don't want my hair to get dry. I'm gonna start on the other side. And I'm gonna still keep rolling back so it's the same direction. Change to my predominant hand, my dominant hand. My little left hand is getting wore out. I'm right-handed. I've seen so many cute hairstyles with these sponge curls. I could definitely see a lot more definition in my afro, in my curls. Ooh, let me roll some more in the back right here. Hold on. All right, y'all, what y'all think? I think I done rolled it enough. What y'all think? Let me give y'all a little 360 real quick. Now this is a sponge curl TWA with alopecia edges. We're just gonna bring some hair down a little bit just to cover our little edges. As much we can cover with these. Just want to bring some down just so all your business don't be out in the streets, okay? Just bring some of them curls down a little bit. Separate them just a little. This is just me experimenting. This is just something that I wanted to try just to see how it looked on me. I've seen it look like, you know, seen it on so many beautiful women and men out there, and I'm like, even though I have a traction alopecia around my edges, I still want to see what it looks like. So I'm happy I just set up the camera and got out the sponge roller and I tried it out. So let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. I probably will not be wearing this style out in public anytime soon, but I just want to try it in the comforts of my own home just to see how it looked on me for my own personal reasons. So this was very quick, simple. If y'all like it, let me know in the comment section down below. If y'all still are interested in seeing more hacks, tools, tricks, regimens, vitamins that I'm taking to regrow my edges back, and also a lot of DIYs that I have coming to this channel, please subscribe. Do not want to miss out on any of the great content, and please turn on your notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content to this channel. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.
This is an iPad about hunger, and this is what you'd expect to see. Children starving in places like this. For years, things were getting better. We were beating hunger, and few children died. But now, things are getting much worse again. Because this time, the droughts are more devastating.
Wars and conflicts are forcing us to flee our homes, leaving everything behind with no way to get food. That's why we need your help.
Millions of children are fighting to survive due to inequality, conflict, poverty, and the climate crisis. Save the Children is working alongside communities